Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yagane and today in this video I want to unbox my new printer. Anycubic sent me this printer that it's a Kobra S1 Combo and I want to open it and unbox it now. Okay, because it's difficult for me. It's higher than me. I'll open the box and let's see. So I have to open it with this tool. There is some screw here and it says that 2.5 H2.5 can be I'm really excited to see how it works and how it's gonna be. Okay, so now I have to lift it up. Yes. As you might see, this is the dryer of filament that is gonna be installed on top of it. Take them. Let me see. All the cables are here. Everything for the connecting, the power. I'll show you later. There are the signs that there's some screw that I have to open them, as you can see. Then this is the bed. I'm gonna lift it up from here as I see inside the book. So there we go. I'm gonna lift this up. From instruction of the book, I connect all the cables, everything that they say. So now I want to turn it on. As you can see, now I put the bench to print it. While it's printing, I want to show you how the voices, it doesn't sound a lot. I'll explain to you in my next videos more about the options, about the speed, quality and everything. And today I just wanted to open it to see how it's gonna be, and I really like it, the quality of the product, the printer, and I'll show you the result after printing. I just want to say thank you to Anycubic that sent me this printer. It's amazing as I see it, and I'll test another filament materials on it to see how it's gonna be, and I'll show you in my next videos. I hope that you enjoyed this video with me. It was a little challenging, but we got it. Thank you for watching this video until the end. I'll see you in my next videos. Bye.